In front of me is Huawei MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to tap on Apps and Services section over here. Now select AppTwin and tap on gray switcher next to any app you wanna clone, in my case Snapchat. If you can't see your app here, that means that it's not supported by Huawei App Cloner. When you see this switcher turned blue, you can go back and look for your app. I can see that mine was successfully cloned because it's over here with blue icon at the bottom left corner of it. If you ever want to delete your app clone, go back to the same settings and use no blue switcher next to your app. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!